Hey guys, Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. I want to make a big announcement. I won't take too much of your time here. I've actually gotten to the point where I've been asked this question thousands of times, and I wanted to basically give an answer and a solution. So I decided to finally release a video training platform. It's a subscription-based training platform, and you can just log on and basically watch these very complex repairs go down. But it's kind of unique in the sense that it offers a point of view perspective. So you get to basically be there next to me, and I'm showing what is being done where and what tools I'm using, how I'm applying tension, or whatever the case may be in the videos. But these are not 10-minute videos. These are pretty long-winded videos. I've been able to kind of compress them down to taking a 5 to 10 hour repair down to mainly about an hour, just to keep the engagement factor up. Some of these repairs, they get pretty boring to watch, but I've basically taken the extra effort to make them more palatable and easier to watch and gain the experience from. But basically the reason I'm doing this is because during the in-person training, which personally, I think there's nothing quite like in-person training and actually being there and asking the real questions. But I wanted to be able to bring this to others that are seeking the answers and clarity on some of these really challenging repairs, paintless dent repairs that we never thought could be done, 10, 15 years ago. They're getting done to a super high level. And if you're not doing them now, you're going to get left in the dust. And your competition is out there. They're getting better and better. I'm seeing it now with some of these students that are coming through that are just blowing my mind with their amazing skills in doing it very fast. 1 to 2 year technicians, just crazy some of the skill sets they have already out of the box. It took me years. By watching these videos, you're going to be able to push that fast forward button and just gain the experience and knowledge through watching the videos. One of the things with my training is that the most feedback I've gotten, or the best feedback I've gotten, has always been when the student is there watching me do the repair and asking questions. They feel like they got the most value out of watching the repair. So I thought to myself, why not use a video platform to be able to give that to somebody that's looking to really gain some serious knowledge on the back end of things and how these repairs go down. So basically it comes down to coming up with a solution to a problem that I see constantly and questions that are being asked. Working on double metal, like how do you get an edge repair super clean without creating more damage? That's all covered. Stretched metal, working on stretched metal behind braces. These are all things that are covered in the videos, and I think there's a tremendous value being able to kind of watch somebody. I know when I first started working as a PDR technician, there were so many things that were just kind of leaving me in the dark, and I had to figure out on my own. And I know that I would want to have this if I was in somebody's shoes starting out. It would definitely be something that would make you excel and make you get to where you want to go. So really excited about releasing this. It covers all facets of PDR. From a beginner standpoint, not so much in the beginning, but I definitely am going to be incorporating some beginner stuff as well. Essentially what this is just 4 or 5 videos up there now, and then what I'll be doing is once a month updating and uploading a new video. So really looking forward to releasing this, and I hope you guys enjoy it and get a bunch of value out of it. Thanks for watching.